People think that starting a business is this really difficult and long process, but I started a pressure washing business with just £500 and no experience at all, and now I'm going to help you do the same. So, why pressure washing? Well, it's really low cost to get into. Like I said, £500, but you can actually get started for much less just by cleaning windows or something else. Also, there's loads of demand. Everyone needs their driveway cleaned, their patio cleaned, their house cleaned, whatever. Even their caravan, like we've got caravans around here. So, there's loads of customers you can get into. Also, reoccurring customers, because people need their stuff cleaned like once a year or twice a year. So, reoccurring customers right there. So, marketing. Right, so how do you start marketing as a pressure washing business? So I found that word of mouth is the best way. So you clean someone's driveway, they go tell their friends, their family, everyone. And suddenly you've got like 5-10 people just from this one customer. Also, Facebook groups, that's where I'm getting most traffic. So my town has a Facebook group and I've just been posting marketing material in there. So before and after pictures, stuff like that. So before and after pictures, before starting a job, I take some pictures of the property, and then afterwards, when I've done the job, cleaned everything, I'll take some more pictures and I'll put them side by side and get this really cool kind of visual transformation. So yeah, you'll see that on the screen. And yeah, also, I was talking to my barber, he was giving me business advice. And he recommended that I create some business cards and basically go around to different shops and just say, hey, I'm starting this business, can you put these business cards on your counter, and so customers can come in, see them, be like, oh, pressure washing, I need that. And yeah, maybe they'll call you or something, you'll get a customer. So that's a good way to go. My barber said he can do that for me. I could put my business card in his barber shop. So yeah, that's a really good one. Flyers. So flyers are really important. Just make a flyer design, and what you need to do, just post them through doors everywhere. Everyone's doors, and you'll get loads of customers that way. Preferably a nice before and after picture on the flyer. Okay, now let's get into what you'll need to get started. So first of all, you're going to need a pressure washer. So for me, this costs about £250. See, I'll put all the links for equipment in the description. So pressure washer, you'll need a hose reel to connect to the tap to get water into your pressure washer. You'll need a surface cleaner, which you've probably seen them in TikTok videos or whatever. It's basically this small round attachment that you add to your pressure washer, and it allows you to cover a wider surface area more quickly. So yeah, get one of those. And also a heavy duty broom and dustpan and brush. That's for dealing with all the muds that piles up after you've cleaned a driveway or patio or whatever. So yeah, those are the equipment you'll need. There's more, but there's a lot of it. I'll put all the links in the description for all the equipment that I bought, and you can purchase some of that if you want to get started. Because when I was first getting started, I thought a pressure washer alone would be about £500, but no, I was able to get a much cheaper one, about 250, something like that. And yeah, it was a lot cheaper than expected, actually. Also, you need a way to get your equipment around and go from job to job. So I don't have a car yet, I'm learning to drive, so basically we've had to use my mum's car to drive me around the equipment. And yeah, preferably you want to get a van or a truck, but yeah, I'm working with what I've got at the moment. So yeah, there's that. Right, you also need insurance, because things go wrong in this kind of industry and you can end up damaging someone's property. You need insurance, or you're going to go into generational debts, and yeah, your business is screwed after that. They can take your personal assets. Just be careful with that. Get insurance. You need to be safe. So I said before, I market on Facebook. I put loads of posts on there, offers. I offered free work actually. That allowed me to get some jobs, promote myself a bit more. And yeah, I put up a post saying I'm offering free jobs for free. And basically I got about 4 paid customers from that. So, offering free jobs is very powerful. It's good to put yourself out there and and yeah. So that's a good way to go. But you can also use Instagram, post pictures on Instagram, maybe videos, get a time lapse of your work, like I've done, as you can see on the screen. And yeah, put your before and after pictures, Facebook and Instagram, maybe LinkedIn, I guess, next door, stuff like that. Then after a while of running things by yourself, you need to focus on scaling up. So that could be hiring employees. You can automate everything, that's really important. Get a CRM, customer relationship management. Get someone to manage your financials, all of that. Get someone to handle the marketing. Yeah, try to automate things as much as possible. Eventually I plan to move to another country, hopefully run things remotely, or even start a business online, like content creation. And I don't really want to be focusing on pressure washing when I'm working on something bigger and with more scalability, because realistically with pressure washing you're limited to about maybe 100,000 per year, something like that, a couple 100,000 a year. So eventually you do need to kind of branch out into something online if you want to get into the millions, which I want to. So yeah, you need to think about scalability, that's important. It's pressure washing, good business to start off with to get your feet off the ground as a new entrepreneur, but it's not really a long-term solution if you want to be financially free and all that. So yeah, that's what you need to think about, scalability. If you are getting started with a pressure washing business, comment below. Maybe we can talk about it. I can give you some tips, because I've already gotten started. Of course, you're going to have problems. Like one of my customers, their tap wasn't working, so I had to knock on next door saying, hey, can I borrow your water? And luckily he was kind enough to let me. But yeah, you're going to have problems. Also, during the middle of a job, my pressure washer hose split open. So I had to, there was chemicals all over the floor. I had to use the hose to kind of rinse it down, but yeah, I had to quit the job halfway through. I need to go back to finish that. But yeah, the things go wrong, just know that. So yeah, expect that. And yeah, leave a comment below, subscribe please, it helps me. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time, bye.